Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use BMW M4 paddle shifters. To begin, the left paddle is for downshifting, and the right paddle is for upshifting. A quick pull on either paddle will instantly engage the car's manual mode, giving you direct control over gear changes. This allows you to select the perfect gear for any driving situation, enhancing your connection with the vehicle and providing a more dynamic driving experience. It's a straightforward process to master. Knowing when to use your paddle shifters can significantly improve your driving. For instance, downshift before entering a corner to leverage engine braking and ensure you're in the optimal gear for exiting with maximum power. When accelerating aggressively, upshift just before the red line to maintain continuous power delivery. These shifters are ideal for spirited driving on winding roads or when you desire precise control over the engine's revolutions per minute. For more advanced control, anticipate your gear changes. This means thinking ahead about the road and traffic conditions to select the right gear smoothly rather than reacting last minute. While the M4's transmission is robust, avoid excessively rapid, successive shifts, which can put unnecessary strain on the drivetrain. Dedicate some time to practice in a safe, open area to truly master the art of precise and timely gear selection, enhancing your overall driving skill. The benefits of using paddle shifters are numerous. You gain much greater control over the vehicle's power band, allowing you to keep the engine in its sweet spot for maximum performance. This translates into a more engaging and dynamic driving experience, making every journey more exciting. For track enthusiasts, precise gear selection can shave off crucial tenths of a second, leading to improved lap times and overall driving performance. It truly elevates your driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.